Let's solve this question together. It says root of 7 raised to power m minus root of 3 raised to power m is equal to 40. And we're going to solve for the values or value of m. Okay. Now, first of all, when you have root of a, it is equal to a to the power of half. Hence, this becomes, or this can be rewritten as 7 to the power of half raised to the power m minus 3 to the power half raised to the power m is equal to 40. Okay? When you have a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by n. Okay? Hence, this will become 7 raised to power m over 2, which is m times 1 over 2. Okay? Minus 3 to the power m over 2 is equal to 40. Now we can do something at this juncture. We can say let m over 2 equals x. Okay, so if m over 2 is equal to x, we have 7 raised to power m over 2 is now x minus 3 raised to power the same x is equal to 40. Okay, we have 7 raised to power x minus 3 raised to power x is equal to 40. Now we say let us raise x to the power of, let's raise this to the power of 2 over 2. So we have that 7 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 over 2 minus 3 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 over 2 is equal to what now? 40. And you might be asking, why didn't I raise 40 to the power of 2 over 2? Reason being that 2 over 2 is 1. Hence, 1 times x is still 1. Okay? Now, this becomes, so we can, let's factor in, because from the rule we said initially, we said that a raised to power m all raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by n. Okay, so let's factor out let's multiply with the denominator and leave the numerator. So we have 7 raised to power x times 1 over 2 is equal to x over 2 all raised to the power of what? 2 minus, okay, 3 raised to power x over 2 all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 40. Okay, now from here we can say that this is difference of two squares. So we have that 7 raised to power x over 2 minus 3 raised to power x over 2 multiplied by 7 raised to power x over 2 plus 3 plus 3 raised to power x over 2 is equal to 40. Okay, now this is difference of two squares. The product of two things is 40. Let's call 7 raised to power 2a and call 3 raised to power x over 2b. Okay, so 7 raised to power x over 2 is equal to a minus 3 raised to power x over 2 is b multiplied by a plus b is equal to 40. Okay, now let's do say let's find the multiples of 40. Okay, that would fit for this and this. Now let's do that quickly. So we say that a minus b into a plus b is equal to 40. Now recall that a is equal to 7 raised to power x over 2. So when we have a power, we want the number to be positive. Okay? Because we want this number to be positive, it means that the condition is that a plus b should be greater than a minus b. Okay? That's the first condition. Now let's find the multiples of 40. 40 is equal to, for the first one, this one, 2 times 20. Secondly, we have 4 times 10. Thirdly, we have 5 times 8. Okay, and that's the last. Those are the last multiples. Now we also have 1 times 40. Okay, all right. So moving on from here, we can now say that since we said a minus b is less than a plus b, or a plus b is greater than a minus b, we have for the first set of answer that it is a plus b is equal to, which is greater here, is 20, and a minus b is equal to 2. Okay, solving this, we have that if we add these two equations, we have 2a is equal to 22, hence a is equal to 11. Now from here, b will be equal to 9. Okay, from this. Now, the rule out for this condition is that since our a, what's our a? Our a is 7 raised to power x over 2, and our b is 3 raised to power x over 2. Okay, now the rule out is that a has to be something in an index form of 7, and b has to be something in the index form of 3. And if you look here, b is in an index form of 3 because 9 can be expressed to be 3 squared, but a is 11, and 11 cannot be expressed as the index form of 7. Okay, so we neglect this solution. Now let's go to the next solution. So we go up here and we strike this out. So for the second condition, we have that a plus b will be 10 and a minus b will be 4. 10 plus 4 is 14, minus b plus b is 0, and a plus a is 2a. And so here we have that a is equal to 7. If a is 7, what will be b? Put a at 7 here, we have that b will be equal to 3. Okay, so a is 7, b is 3. Alright, now from here, let's test if this answer is valid. We have 7 raised to power x is equal to a. Now a can be expressed as an index of 7, alright, and then we have 3 raised to power x over 2 is equal to b, hence b can be expressed as an index of 3. Okay, so given this, we have that our answer, this 10 and 4 are a correct set of answers, so we keep these answers. Alright, now for the next test, we are testing for a plus b is equal to 8 and a minus b is equal to 5. Okay, now firstly, 2a here will be equal to 13, and 13 cannot be divided by a. Since 13 cannot be divided by a, this condition is not valid. Okay, so we strike this one out. For the last condition, we have that a plus b is equal to 40 and a minus b is 1. Okay, now 2a here will be equal to 41. Again, 41 is not divisible by 2, hence this answer is also null and void. Hence the only answer that satisfies this equation is this answer, which says that a plus b is 10 and a minus b is 4, giving that a is 7 and b is 3. Okay, let's now apply a to be 7 and b to be 3 in this equation to simplify further. So continuing from here, we have that our a is equal to 7 and our b is equal to 3. Okay, as we all remember, we said that 7 raised to power x over 2 is equal to a. From here, a is 7, so we have 7 raised to power x over 2 is equal to 7 raised to power 1, which is 7. Hence, this and this will strike out so that we have that x over 2 is equal to 1. Hence, x is equal to 2. Okay. Now, for 3 raised to power x over b, 3 raised to power x over 2 to be equal to b is what? 3. We have 3 raised to power x over 2 to be equal to 3 raised to power 1 is 3. So 3 raised to power 1. 3 cancels 3, so we have that x is equal to 2 again. Hence, from here we conclude that x is equal to 2. But then recall that m over 2 is equal to x. Okay, from the beginning. Now, m here will become equal to x is 2, so we have 2 multiplied by 2, hence m here is equal to 4. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.